In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of installing and configuring a firewall on Kali Linux 2024 using uncomplicated firewall. Hi, this is Srikanth. You are watching
Blue Shield
YouTube channel. Please subscribe the channel for more updates. First things first, let's make sure our package list is up to date. Run the following command in the terminal. Sudo apt update. Next, we need to install UFW itself. Type this into the terminal. Sudo apt install UFW. With UFW installed, go ahead and enable it by typing sudo UFW enable. Now it's time to configure some basic rules. We'll start by allowing SSH connections. Enter the following command. Sudo UFW allow SSH. Feel free to add any additional rules at this point. Just replace SSH with another service name or port number as desired. After adding all necessary rules, double-check everything looks good by checking the current status of UFW by the command sudo UFW status. Should you ever want to block a connection, just type something like this: sudo UFW deny HTTP. Or if you change your mind late, simply remove the rule like so. Sudo UFW delete. Allow SSH. Finally, once you have all the rules configured exactly how you want them, be sure to save these settings for future sessions by entering sudo UFW reload. And there you have it, a simple yet effective firewall setup using UFW in Kali Linux 2024. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.